So, eto na yung ating shrimp tempura. So, ready to eat. Kainan na. So, here are the ingredients. So, here are the ingredients sa gagawin nating shrimp tempura. So, meron tayo ditong 1/2 kilo of shrimp. Bali, binalitan ko na siya. Wala na yan siyang balat. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Then, ang ating seasoning, black pepper, ating asin at ang ating seasoning. Then, meron din ditong bowl na panghaluan natin ng ating mga mixture. Meron din tayo ditong pang-marinate natin sa ating shrimp. At isang egg. 1 size medium egg. At syempre, gagamit tayo ng ating oil pang fry sa ating shrimp tempura. So, ito na yung mga ingredients natin sa ating gagawing shrimp tempura. Yan.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give.
Marinate muna natin sandali ang ating shrimp. Set aside muna natin ito habang ginagawa natin ang iba pang mixture. Dito naman sa ating bowl ay ibibit natin ang ating egg. So, isang buong egg. Set aside din natin ang ating egg. Then, meron tayong isa pang bowl. Lagay natin ang ating 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Ang ating 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Then, ang ating seasoning. Then, ihahalo natin ang ating dried mixtures. So, na-marinate na natin ang ating shrimp. Ay, isa-isa nating i-dip sa ating egg. Ibabad sa ating egg. Pagkatapos, ibabad ulit sa ating mixture ng all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Then, ibabad natin ulit sa ating egg.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna never gon' give, never gon' give.
Yung shrimp na ating na-dip sa ating mixture. So, ready to fry na ang ating shrimp. So, mainit na ang ating oil. Maglagay na tayo ng ating shrimp.
Never gon' give you up. I'm never gon' let you go. Never gon' say goodbye. No. Never gon' give you up. I'm never gon' let you go. Never gon' say goodbye. No. Never gon' give. Never gon' give. Never gon' give you up. Never gon' give. Never gon' give. Never gon' give. Never gon' give. Never gon' give you up. Never gon' give. Never gon' give.
Ito, luto na ang ating shrimp tempura. Lagay natin sa ating wok.
Never gon' give you up. I'm never gon' let you go. Never gon' say goodbye. No.
So, ito na yung ating shrimp tempura. So, ready to eat. Kainan na. So, crispy. Tikman natin ang ating tempura. Crispy na crispy. Yummy. Yummy na yummy ang ating shrimp tempura.